Welcome to this video on AI job transformation concept shared by Professionals Lobby, disappearing roles and emerging careers, focusing on navigating the future of work in the UAE. We are now entering the next wave of work, where AI is creating a new economy with disappearing roles and emerging careers. Every technological revolution, like computers and mobile connectivity, removes routine tasks, or the ebb, to carve out new channels for human creativity, the flow. AI marks the beginning of the next such era. Repetitive and formula-based tasks, such as data entry, telemarketing, and routine bookkeeping, are in the high-risk zone for automation between 2023 and 2030. The new economic elite, the surge, will combine specific domain expertise with AI fluency, commanding premium salaries in the UAE market, as seen in emerging roles like AI trainers and prompt engineers. Just like past revolutions, AI is opening doors to entirely new, high-value careers that previously did not exist, transforming routine work and data processing in the cognitive shift. AI's ripple effects are transforming industries. Media companies see a 40% output increase. Law firms benefit from 65% faster case prep. Retail chains enjoy 25% lower costs and higher satisfaction. The human AI vanguard includes roles like AI-driven healthcare specialists and AI ethics and compliance officers. These roles require profound human empathy, high-stakes ethical judgment, and complex physical interventions. The UAE is rapidly progressing along the river of change, with milestones from the early wave of routine automation in 2025 to a mature economy by 2030, where humans focus on strategy and creativity. In the UAE bank AI transformation, 60% of back-office operations were automated, achieving a 40% increase in efficiency. Critically, 200 employees were reskilled for higher-value roles. Businesses must navigate the current shift by upskilling the workforce, restructuring teams to remove routine bottlenecks, and hiring for adaptability, prioritizing problem-solving and AI fluency. To stay buoyant, professionals must learn AI architecture, amplify human strengths like creativity and empathy, and target emerging roles that will dominate the 2030-plus economy. The adaptation ecosystem in the UAE is ready, offering upskilling programs like Coursera and Udacity, job platforms like LinkedIn and Naukri Gulf, and professional networks like the Dubai AI Network. The wellspring of tomorrow's careers identifies high-growth opportunities. Top-tier earning potential is found in roles like AI-driven healthcare specialists, while foundational AI roles offer entry points to the new economy. Real-world examples show the UAE market impact: a 15% overall workforce reduction in a UAE bank alongside efficiency gains, 50% paralegal reduction in law firms, and a 40% media output increase. The most valuable future professionals will be those who combine domain expertise with AI fluency. They will leverage AI to enhance productivity and creativity. Need help navigating the AI workforce transformation? Our experts connect UAE businesses with certified consultants and advanced AI solutions to accelerate digital transformation and business success. Navigate the AI workforce revolution with expert guidance. Whether you need to restructure your business or transition your workforce, our consultants are ready to architect your future. Schedule your AI consultation today. Visit www.professionalslobby.com.
Professionals Lobby, grow, connect, succeed.